नो प्रॉब्लम. लेट अस गो फॉर द एक्सरसाइज 4.1. सारा कंप्लीट हो गया ना?
Yes, sir.
New up. Okay. Exercise 4.1 you see.
सर तो ब्लर है सर, दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
What?
सर the board is blur.
No, sir. ठीक है.
It is a problem in your network also. So please others
Yes, sir.
please be quiet. बाद में मैं वीडियो भी शेयर करूंगा ना, उससे देख सकते हैं. So exercise 4.1 you can see that. So what is the questions here given to you? Second bit, first problem or first bit already first one we have completed. Second one में express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Indicate the values of a, b, c. So here if you see that second bit,
मैं तो
third problem, yesterday I told you minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 is the equation given to you. So when you see this one, minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 6.
Sir, can you write it a little bit in the right side?
What?
Sir, can you write a little bit right side, sir? Because your camera is not covering the left.
It's not covering.
No, sir. Means the half is.
Okay.
sir.
I think it should cover. Now it not visible to you. This is not visible.
No, sir.
Huh?
Sir, it is only shown that.
Yes, sir. It is visible only. Sir, it is visible.
Okay. So minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 is the equation. And AB, it is in the form of ax plus by plus c. A is equals to minus 2, B is equals to 3, C is equals to minus 6. So what I want to say here means, if you want, you can take these two terms to the right side also. If you take these two terms to the right side, 0 is equals to plus 2x होगा, minus 3y होगा, plus 6 होगा. So what do you get here? 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equals to 0. So in this equation a होगा 2, b होगा minus 3, c होगा plus 6. Sir a b c change हो रहा है ना इधर and इधर. So which is the correct answer? Most of the students will get confused regarding this. So here both are right answers. If you see ABC values, all are ये complete ABC को आप 2 multiply करो, any numbers multiply करो for all the ABC values, then the values whatever you get means linear equation in two variables, whatever the equation you are taking, and if you multiply that equation by the non-zero constant, non-zero constant से multiply करो, the equations change नहीं होगा, इसका zeros भी change नहीं होगा. Suppose मैं simple x plus y is equals to 2 बोल रहा हूँ, ये पूरा इक्वेशन को 2 मल्टीप्लाई करो, 2x plus 2y is equals to 4. ये दूसरा इक्वेशन नहीं है, वो का सेम. ये लाइन रिप्रेजेंट करो, इसको लाइन ग्राफ में रिप्रेजेंट करो, both equations you are going to get the same equations. So you can write in any way, so both are right only, so don't get confused. So I want to say that one only to you. So suppose if you go for the fourth problem, x equal to 3y दिए, तो x minus 3y is equals to 0 है. So what is a here?
1.
b क्या है?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. 0.
0.
So बाकी सब तो easily you can do it. It's not a very difficult task for you to do the problems of this 4.1. Isn't it? समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now let us
Yes,
go for
sir.
the exercise 4.2 solution. Solution of the linear equation. What is meant by solution of the linear equation? solution of the linear equation? Linear equation का solution बोलो तो क्या है? The value of the variable का value होता है ना? So the value of the variable which satisfies the equation. Satisfying equation is nothing but left hand side, right hand side values both same आना. If you substitute the variable values, so values of the variables if you substitute the left hand side and right hand side both you should get as the same. So then you can say that that is the solution of the linear equation. Linear equation का solution बोलते हैं. So now let us see how do we find out the solution and how many solutions will exist in linear equation in two variables. Infinite number of solutions will exist that we have already discussed. So exercise 4.2 you see. So first one you see here. Which one of the following option is true and why? Y equal to 3x plus 5. The given equation is y is equals to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. You tell me how many solutions will be there for this?
Infinitely many solutions.
That already we have discussed.
Infinitely many solutions.
It represents as a straight line. एक straight line आ जाएगा. वो straight line में कितना points होता है and every point is solution of that equation. And in case of x का place में आप कुछ भी real number ले लो and y नया new real number आएगा. So the x and y values together is called the solution of this linear equation. So it is going to have infinitely. Second question में write the four solutions for each of the following equations. So the second में four solutions is asking you. So what is the first question is given to you? 2x plus y is equals to 7. So four solutions is asking to you. So whenever the equation is given to you, express the given equation. Express this given equation. Y as in terms of x और x as in terms of y. X को y terms में express करो और y को x. So which one to be taken into consideration? Whose coefficient is 1? Either x coefficient 1 or y coefficient 1 you have to observe. इसमें किसका coefficient 1 है?
Y.
Y का
Y.
So that's why you write this one y
Y.
is equals to 7 minus 2x. And x you take your wish. These problems cannot be solved copy करने का जरूरत नहीं है आप लोगों को. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ आप दूसरा प्रॉब्लम ले सकते हैं. Because x should be assumed. Any number you can take into consideration. So four values is asking. Two negative numbers, two positive numbers. Let us take into consideration. So x is equals to let x is equals to minus 2 लेता हूँ मैं. Then ये कंसिडर कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Y is equals to 7 minus 2 into minus 2. So which is equals to 7 plus 4, which is equals to 11. So x is equals to minus 2, 11 is the one solution. This is the first one. Second one, let x is equals to minus 5 लेता हूँ. Then y is equals to 7 minus 2. X का place में minus 5 लिखना है. So what do you get? 7 plus 10, which is equals to 17. This is second solution. Third solution, let x is equals to 1. Then y is equals to 7 minus 2 into 1, 5. Third solution again. Fourth solution, let x is equals to 100. Sir, 100? Yes, you can take it. What is wrong? These values you can make your own wish. So here the question is asking you to find out the four solutions. Every linear equation is going to have the infinitely many solutions. When it is going to have the infinitely many solutions, then you can take the any number. I took the 100. You take the 2020. What's wrong in that? It's not a wrong here. So then what you will here? Y is equals to 7 minus 2 into 100. 7 minus 200. So 200 से 7 subtract करो 193. So minus 193. So the four solutions you better write in the form of the box. x value, y value. So be cautious that first x should be written. X is equals to -2, then y is equals to 11. So x is equals to -5, y is equals to 7. X is equals to 1, y is equals to 5. X is equals to 100 if I take, y is equals to -193. So these are the 4 solutions. Like that you can make your own solutions also. आप solutions कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. Second problem में sir इसमें pi दे दिया है और 2. You may get out. Pi x plus y is equals to 9 is equal. So first write y in terms of 9 minus pi x. Pi let it be as it is. You don't change the pi. So say let x is equals to minus pi level. Then y is equals to 9 minus pi into minus pi. So you get 9 plus 5 now. You write like that only, 9 plus 5. What's wrong? That is one number. So while we are going to plot this one in the graph, then in that situation pi should be taken as 22/7. Or you can take 3.14. Pi approximate value, whatever it is there, that should be taken into consideration. Okay? Is it clear? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Clearly दिख रहा है ना? Okay.
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर, क्लियर है सर.
नो सर, मुझे समझ नहीं आया. यस सर,
कविता?
मुझे भी.
कुछ समझ में नहीं आया?
हाँ सर, उस टाइम बोर्ड बहुत ब्लर था और आपका आवाज भी बहुत धीरे आ रहा था, इसलिए.
That problem is different. Normally आपको सुनाई देता है तो then if you are not understanding you say something. Okay? Simple है. So second question like this, you do the 4 solutions. 4 solutions. Any 4 solution. X value any number ले लो. Y value find out करो. So it is a very simple task for you to do. Third big problem you see. Check which of the following are the solutions of x minus 2y is equals to 4 and which are not. So what is it given here? Given equation. Given equation is x minus 2y is equals to 4. X minus 2y is equals to 4. Now here which are the solutions, which are not solutions is asking. So sir, here it is given to you 0, 2. So what is meant by this one? X equal to 0, y equal to 2. इसमें substitute करो. Then 0 minus 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Minus 4 is equals to plus 4. ये false. So this is not a solution. Therefore 0, 2 is not a solution. Second point, it is given to you. What is the second point given to you? 2, 0. So 2, 0 is nothing but x is equals to 2, y is equals to 0. Implies. इसमें substitute करो. X place में 2 and y place में 0 is equals to 4. Complete equation as it is I have written, but x place में number, y place में number, whatever it is given, that I am writing. First one, whatever it is given, that is x. Second one, whatever it is given, that is y. So now what you get here, this one, 2 minus 0 is equals to 4 आएगा. 2 is equals to 4. ये भी false है. So therefore, 2, 0 is also not a solution. This is also not a solution. Next one is a question given to you 4, 0. Next one is this is second one, and third one is given to you 4, 0. So x is equals to 4, y is equals to 0. Implies this must substitute 4 minus 2 into 0 is equals to 4. This implies 4 minus 0 is equals to 4. Therefore, you can say that 4 comma 0 is solution of what is the equation given? X minus 2y is equals to 4. Simple problem. These are all very simple and you can do it. समझ में आया ना? Just substitute
Yes, sir.
and check करना है.
Yes,
Substitute
sir.
करके check करना है which are the solutions, which are not solutions. And fourth problem you see here. In the fourth problem it is given that find the value of the k. K का value find out करना है. X equal to 2, y equal to 1 is the solution. So वो simple है. So what to do in that case?
Sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Huh?
Hello, sir. Sir, the board is blurred, sir.
For all?
Sir, कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा सर.
For all it is like that only.
No, sir, it is clear.
No, sir.
In a proper way. Afterwards you see the video.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So now here if you see that fourth problem, find the value of the k x equal to 2. X equal to 2, y is equals to 1. Then 2x plus 3y is equals to k is the equation. And k value find out. So इधर x2 का place x का place में 2 substitute करो, y का place में 1 substitute करो. Just substituting only. So this is 4 plus 3 is equals to k. 7 is equals to k. So k value is 7. Okay, problem. Simple problem है ना? समझ में आया? Do you have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Clear है ना?
No, sir.
So now here, let us go for the exercise 4.3.
Yes, sir.
This just you need to draw the graph. Graph का graph sheet लेके graph draw करना है, and that problems let us see here, and we will try to complete it 4.3 also today with the 4.3 and 4.3. 4.4 is nothing else, very simple questions. Okay, so we can complete, and don't think that here we are completed all the completely all the problems of the chapter in a one class. Very simple questions are there, so that's why we are completing it. Okay, समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us go for the
Yes, sir.
exercise 4.3 एक बार open कर लो. Draw the graph of the each of the following linear equations in two variables. एक एक का graph draw करने के लिए पूछ रहे हैं. Second question में give the equations of the lines passing through the 2,14. How many such lines are there and why? Second question बाद में देखते हैं. First let us see how do we draw the graph. Graph कैसे draw करते हैं देखते हैं. Okay. So now here so first equation is given to you. X plus y is equals to 4. X plus y is equals to 4. So here, first problem and last problem I will explain to you. So what to do here? To draw the graph of this one, very simple. Okay, आप लोग थोड़ा सा right side लिखने के लिए बोल रहे हैं ना. X plus y is equals to 4. First you need to find out it is enough to us to have the only two solutions, because ये linear equation in two variables. Every linear equation in two variables in the graph, how it represents? Straight line. ये straight line है. So this is since it is a straight line, this equation if you draw straight line ड्रा करने के लिए हमको कितना पॉइंट्स चाहिए? How many points we need to draw the straight line? Only 2 points enough. But I suggest you to take the minimum 3 solutions of the given linear equation. ये linear equation का 3 solutions ले लो. Because suppose while calculating the value of the y are using the x consider करके y value find out कर रहे हैं, वो गलत कर रही है, लाइन गलत हो सकता है. So that's why better you take the minimum 3 points, or more than 3 if you take, it is really better. But if you take the 2 points also, you get the graph. If you take the 2 points also, you will get the graph. So let us take the solutions of this. Previously we solved the 4 solutions for every linear equations. In the same way, you take the 3 solutions for that y is equals to 4 minus 6. Let x is equals to one negative number and taking minus 1. One negative number minus 1. This implies y is equals to 4 minus of minus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Therefore minus 1 comma 5 is solution. One solution. Let I am taking x is equals to 0. 0 consider. So y is equals to 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 is 0. So x is 0, y value 4 is solution. This you need to do the आपका ग्राफ पेपर होता है ना, ग्राफ पेपर in the notebook you need to paste it. ये notebook में करके वो ग्राफ पेपर notebook में paste कर सकते. Next, let x is equals to any other number. Sir, here minus 1, 0, any number you take. Sir, minus 1 only we have to take. Can we take the minus 100? You can take the minus 100 also. If you take minus 100 in the graph, you need to take the 100. 100th point you need to mark it. Mark it. So x is equals to, if you are taking 5, suppose I am taking 5. Your wish, you can take any number. So what do you get here? This implies y is equals to 4 minus, it's missing. 4 minus 5. Y is equals to minus 1. So 5 comma minus 1 is also the solution. So now what to do here? These 3 solutions you need to mark on a graph. So that is called as a plotting. In the coordinate geometry chapter you have learned. So plot, what is this one? Minus 1 comma 5, 0 comma 4 and 5 comma minus 1 on the graph. And join them to get a straight line. Straight line आने के लिए join. So graph, how do we take the graph? Okay, we call it, what is this axis? Line called? Which line it is? Whether it is a horizontal or vertical?
Both.
Huh? It is a horizontal or vertical line?
Both, sir.
Horizontal.
Huh?
Sir, which line?
This line.
Horizontal line.
Sir, which line? Sir, horizontal line.
Horizontal line. And this line is called?
Vertical.
Vertical line.
And vertical line is called as x-axis. So x-axis only. So y-axis only. And here in the graph you need to write the scale. On the x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. आपका ग्राफ ले लिया तो ग्राफ में here you are going to have the some lines will be there. 1 centimeter will be represented here like this. So on the y-axis also, y-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. 1 unit why you are taking? Here you take 100. ये 100 ले लो, ये 200 ले लो, ये 300 ले लो. तब numbers बड़ा आ जाएगा. Then you need to take the graph. Graph में 100 to 100, 1 centimeter को 100 ले सकते हैं. So 1 centimeter can be taken as 100 in that situation. So इधर से 100 unit is enough to you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you see that minus 1 also there, and x axis में भी minus 1 है, so left hand side minus 1 होगा. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and down minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now you need to plot these points. Minus 1 comma 5 will be in which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Yes, here over second quadrant. Minus 1 comma 5. So minus 1 comma 5 को mark करो. That is minus 1 comma 5. And you write here minus 1 comma 5. That point. Next, 0 comma 4. Where the 0 comma 4 lies?
Sir, in the x-axis.
X-axis.
Y-axis. Next, 5 comma minus 1. 5 comma minus 1.
Sir, fourth quadrant.
अभी मैंने 3 पॉइंट्स क्यों बोला पता है? Suppose third point if you are not finding, you have taken in a confusion you wrote here minus 4. Suppose I am saying 4 minus 0 को confusion में आप minus 4 लिख दिया. समझ में आया ना? तो पॉइंट क्या होगा? अभी तक तो ये प्रॉब्लम सही है, but why I am taking 3 points I am explaining. Minimum 3 points क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? ये गलत कर दिया सपोज, एक कैलिब्रेशन गलत कर दिया, ये -4 हो गया. तो 0 का -4 किधर होगा? इधर होगा. सर 0 का -4 सर ये होगा. अब ये दोनों को ज्वाइन कर लिया तो दूसरा लाइन आ जाते हैं, तो वही लाइन बोल के आप लोग मानते हैं. बट अब क्या होगा? सपोज ये दो कैलिब्रेशन कर दिया, ये पॉइंट इधर आया है, ये नहीं है, मान लो ये पॉइंट, ये तीनों इधर आ रहे हैं, तो स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं आ रहे. सपोज इफ यू डू द एनी कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक, देन यू विल नॉट गेट द स्ट्रेट लाइन. स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं आ रहा तो आइदर यू हैव प्लॉटेड रॉन्ग प्लॉट कर दिया है, ये कैलकुलेशंस में किधर गलत कर दिया है, ये पता चलता है. You will be able to find out your mistake if you are doing the more points, more than 2 points. 2 points से ज़्यादा ले, suppose 2 ही points ले लिया, only 2 points you have taken, ये नहीं लिया है, तब क्या होगा? 0 का -4 मार्क कर दिया तो ये मार्क करेगा, ये दोनों को जान जाएगा, यही आंसर बोल के मानता है. समझ में आया? So why we need to take more than 2 points? Minimum तो 2 is enough. 2 is enough to you. But if you find more than 2 points, it is beneficial to you that you will be able to find out your mistake. So that's why better you find out. See here, and you here these points, here 1 point, here 1 point, here 1 point. ये तीनों को join कर either using the scale. If you are having the correct graph, if you are taking with the correct measurements. So this is a line represents the x plus y is equals to 4. This is a way to draw the graph of the linear equation. This is a way to draw the graph of the linear equation. समझ में आया? किधर भी doubt है? Any doubt if you are having, you ask me. Do you have any doubt?
No sir.
No है ना?
Yes sir.
Clear?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes
Next fourth problem बोलता हूँ मैं. Second and third you try to do yourself. Okay? Three is equals to 2x plus 5. So y का coefficient 1 है ना? So y equal to, suppose x coefficient 1 है. In this any problem x का coefficient 1 दे दिया है. So better you take x equal to and y assume करो. Y you can assume and x value find out कर सकते हैं. But do remember second problem देखो x minus 1 is equals to faster value. ये y को उधर लेके जाओ x is equals to 2 plus 3. अब you consider y any number. Let y is equals to 1, so x is equals to 3. Y is equals to 5, x is equals to 7. Y is equals to 3, x is equals to 5. Then the points क्या होगा? 1 comma 3 point नहीं है. The point is 3 comma 1. Here the point is 7 comma 5. And here the point is 5 comma 1. These 3 points you plot on a graph. Graph में plot करो. 3 1 approximately actually 3 here होगा 1 here होगा 3 comma 1. 7 comma 5. ये 3 होगा तो 6 7 comma 5 इधर. 5 comma 3 5 comma 3 इधर. ये 3 होगा तो लाइन ऐसा आएगा. That graph. हो गया problem. Second problem. Little bit faster way I did. But you do it in a proper way. Okay. You can take the x value also. You can find the x value also by considering y. Y हम लोग consider करके x value find out करके भी. But do remember that when you take the coordinates, first x should be there, next y should be there. Always whenever you take the coordinate, first x next to y. So this is a mandatory thing you need to remember. Okay. So now here what fourth problem if you see that here y is equals to ये इधर लेके जाओ 3 minus 2x. Actually what do you get here? ये इधर आया तो 3 minus 2x is equals to y. So y is equals to 3 minus 2x. So let x is equals to minus 1. Y is equals to 3 into minus 1. So is equals to 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. The point is minus 1 comma 5 is solution. Let x is equals to 0. Y is equals to 3 minus 2 into 0. So 3. Therefore 0 comma 3 is another solution. These 2 is enough if you are doing correct. But sometimes as we are the human beings, I may also consider some mistake in confusion. It doesn't matter that everyone have to do the compulsory correct. That's why better you take the 2, 3, 4 also better you take. Because a small mistake, whatever you did, you will be able to identify. With the graph when you are drawing. X is equals to 1 I take. 3 is equals to 3 minus 2 into 1, which is equals to 3 minus 2, which is equals to 1. So 1 comma 1. These 3 points you plot on a graph. Graph में plot कर लो. So graph में draw करना देखो. Every time whenever you draw, you write here y-axis vertical. आप मान लेना है ड्रा करते समय ऐसा ना vertical line y-axis horizontal line because if you see inside if you go on revise then you will be able to remember x-axis मान में horizontal line ऐसा करना. So here 1 here 2 here 3 here minus 1 2 3 maximum points किधर है 5 points 4 here 5 minus 1 comma 5 0 comma 3 1 comma 1. So this point plot you have to minus 1 comma 5 means minus 1 5 here. Next point is 0 comma 3 0 comma 3 here. Next one is 1 comma 1 1 comma 1. तीनों को ज्वाइन करो। If you are not able to join the 3 points, then somewhere else you did a mistake. Either plotting is mistake or the calculation is mistake. So like that you can find out the solution, means graph of the linear equations. तो graph को ऐसा find out कर सकते हैं। समझ में आया ना? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, let us go to the second problem. So what is the second question is given to you? Give the equations of the two lines passing through the 2, 14. 2, 14 से जाने वाला two lines का equations. Give the equations of the two lines. First you tell me that passing through this point, how many lines will be there? एक पॉइंट की थ्रो, इस पॉइंट की थ्रो कितना लाइंस जा सकते हैं? How many lines can pass through these lines? Don't know.
Infinite.
आप गिनता करते जाओ, इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ, ये एक लाइन है, इसके लिए ये सॉल्यूशन होता है, ये अनदर लाइन होता है, इसका इक्वेशन अलग होता है, उसके लिए भी यही सॉल्यूशन होता है. So first only the one point in here if you take into consider 2, 14 area, so how many more such lines are there? Here two equations are asking. So how do we frame the equation? X is equals to 2, y is equals to 14. आप ये दोनों को रिलेशन फाइंड आउट करो यूजिंग एनी वे. x plus y is equal to 16. दोनों को ऐड कर लिया 16 आ गया. ये इक्वेशन हो गया एक. दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया. कितना है x minus y? -2. ये भी अनदर इक्वेशन हो गया. मैं x minus 14y ले ली. सर ओके 14x minus y ले ली. ये ली 14 into 2 28. 28 minus 14 14 होगा. अनदर इक्वेशन. आप कुछ भी ले लो. You take x and y something something and दोनों को रिलेशन क्या है? ये भी ले सकते हैं. y is equals to ये डबल ऑफ 7 टाइम्स है. ये 7 टाइम्स ऑफ x. So y is equals to 7x. ये भी एक इक्वेशन होता है. Like that so many equations you will get. And the question is asking you to write the only two equations and how many such lines are there and why. Y is nothing but passing through the one point, infinite number of lines will be there. So that's why we will get the infinite equations. Equations also infinite equations we will get. And how do we write that equations? Means just you need to develop the relationship between the x and y. X and y का relationship develop करना. समझ में आया? Okay.
Yes, sir.
If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation, graph of the equation means 3y is equals to ax plus 7. So 3, 4 lies. So x equal to 3, y equal to 4. Find the value of a. Substitute करना है. Because this is point lies on the graph of the this one means it is a solution. ये solution होगा तो इसमें substitute करना है. Substitute करो 3 into 4, 8 into 3 plus 7. 4 3 से 12. ये 7 इधर लेके आ गए. 3a. 5 आ जाएगा. 3a. a is equals to what do you get? 5 by 3. a equal to 5 by 3. This is the fourth problem. Sorry, third. समझ में आया ये? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Doubt है?
No, sir.
क्या है?
No, sir.
No. No doubt. Okay. Very good. Next situations are given to you. The fourth question is taxi fare in the city is follows. Okay, these problems let us solve it little bit leisurely in our next period. Next class में हम लोग solve करते हैं. ये problem you read the questions in a proper way at home. Fourth questions पढ़ लो and fifth question में ग्राफ दे दिया है and फिगर 4.6 के लिए कुछ equations are given and you need to identify. So try to solve the problems which is possible to you. 4 problems are left over in this exercise and along with that 4 problems 4.4 is also there. So let us go for these problems in the next class. Next class में हम लोग करते हैं, but you try to complete it. You can complete it. And time is also not there now. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. No doubt.